Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Do you need a new tub drain? This one by Hydrop I just installed in our bathroom and I love it, and it was very easy to install. This is a really pretty black matte finish and I have to say it works splendid and it's very easy to use. As you can see here, it comes with everything you need. It has the nice seal to go underneath the tub, and it has an adapter. So this will fit a 1 3/8 inch drain with a fine thread, or it has the adapter for a 1 1/2 inch drain with a coarse thread. I really like the lift and turn drain feature. It makes installation much easier than the kind with the little knob that you lift up and down. The two bolts fit perfectly into our tub, and so the overflow works really well. There's two holes, so you don't have to worry about an overflowing tub. The hardest part of this was getting my old drain out, but installation of this one was simple. Once I got everything plumbed right, I just twisted it in, and voila, we have a working drain. I would highly recommend this drain set.
And that's my point of view.